Hi, welcome to the School to Home Teacher Professional Learning Modules. I am Mr. Molinaro, and I am in charge with professional development at the school this year for Schools to Home. At the beginning of each slide, I'm going to pause in order to give you time to pause the recording itself if you want to read the slide. There are 10 components to the School to Home program. And this year we are going to be looking at a couple of them. Since this is not our first year coupled with School to Home, we have already been introduced to some of the components and goals. School to Home is a comprehensive intervention designed to integrate technology into teaching, learning, and parent engagement. It was designed and is supported by the California Emerging Technology Fund, whose mission is to close the digital divide on California through the deployment and adoption of broadband to underserved communities. School to Home works with schools that serve high percentages of students eligible for free and reduced lunch programs. These students often lack access to technology that is adequate for their learning needs. The two primary goals of School to Home are to help close the digital divide and the achievement gap in California. While all the components are vital to the success of the program, some of them are more critical because they provide its foundation. On the screen are the core critical 5. Here are the other 5 core components. At Bethune Middle School, this is our School to Home leadership team. Please note and reach out to any of us should you need any help. Now let's take a deeper dive into why technology integration is so important to our students in school. Let's start by noting that students today need skills for jobs that haven't even been invented. Digital literacy and media literacy are now considered as part of a broader set of information literacies, which are needed in today's digital world. These terms can get confusing. Let's review them more closely so we have a common vocabulary. First is digital literacy. We normally think of literacy as reading and writing skills, but when you add digital before it, the term encompasses so much more, a wide range of skills. On the screen, you can view some essential digital literacy skills. Second is media literacy. Our students take in a huge amount of information from a wide array of sources. It is vital that they understand that this media was created by someone and for some reason. Understanding the reason for the media is key to medial literacy. On this slide, you will see examples of media literacy skills. Another important reason for incorporating technology into our lessons is because digital literacy is incorporated into the California State Content Standards for Teaching. Note the emphasis on digital literacy and technology in this introduction to the state standards. Please pause and take the time to read through the standard. If you aren't already familiar with the ISTE standards for educators or haven't attended any of the trainings, I highly recommend that you do so. Please peruse their webpage to see their wonderful set of resources and tools. Digital learning is a huge topic, and it's not one that we can talk about for just a few minutes, but I think we can all agree that it's important. It can help strengthen our students' learning experience and provide help to help us succeed with challenging state and national content standards. Digital learning is really no longer an option. It is necessary to ensure our students reach their potential and succeed in college and careers. At this point, I am going to go through a few slides that show teaching frameworks. Please pause and look over each framework in depth, but know that later in this school year, I am going to be providing training on all of these frameworks. Thank you for participating in this slideshow, and I look forward to seeing you in the professional development later in the year. Please do me a favor and complete the Google form that accompanies this presentation. Thank you again.